Hi everyone, I'm Jill. I'm a librarian at HTPL, and if you have been following our social media, we have been adding some digital content to our social media pages to kind of help you get through this time where you may be sheltered. So today I decided to make some cleaning hand wipes. So I thought about what I wanted to do for my next video, and I have a gal that I have been getting to know, and she's been doing organic things, and she's encouraging me to be more healthier. And so we decided to make some wipes today. So whether or not your favorite wipes at your store are not available, or you're looking for a more healthy option, I thought this would be a good plan for today. So here is what you're going to need. You're going to need a roll of paper towel, 2 cups of warm water. You're going to need a table of dish soap. You're going to need a cup of alcohol. Otherwise, should we say liquid gold right now? So the important thing to know about this is you need at least 70%, 70-90%. This is actually 91%, but because when you add the water, it's going to dilute, so you need at least 70%. So we need that. We need a container, a glass container is ideal. You're going to want to find one that's kind of going to fit to your size, so the towels get absorbed. It's a very good idea to gather your supplies because it took me a little while to find a container. While I was gathering my supplies, I was thinking about, oh, you need a knife too to cut your paper towel. So while I was gathering, I was thinking about my mama, and the cardinal rule at my house when I was a little girl is you not touch mama's sewing scissors. Because paper dulls it. We all know that, right? So I thought about that, and I'm like, yeah, I don't want to use my knife to dull my paper towel because it's paper, right? So I just use a utility knife, and so what I did is I went ahead and cut it because I didn't know how messy it was going to be. So I made sure that it fits in my container, and what I did is I drew a little line on my paper towel because if it was too big, then the lid's going to go on, right? So that's what I did. So I just cut that, so you are going to have like a big giant roll of toilet paper. So this is probably going to look really weird on my paper towel dispenser, right? Okay, so we are going to set this in here so you can see there's not very much room around the side of it, and so this is going to be perfect. Glass container, and it's actually a what do you call those? A parfait container. That's kind of like what it is. All right, so I think I need to move my camera down a little bit. Okay, so we have our water. So we have 2 cups of warm water. We need a cup of dish soap. Sorry, I didn't mean a cup. That would be a lot of soap. A tablespoon of soap. So I'm just going to make sure that this is all good to go. I do not want to spill any of this liquid gold. So I'm going to be very careful. So it's a cup. So I wonder what kind of other measures you guys are taking for things that you are running out of. Okay, so here goes our cup. And you could add essentials oil or some kind of other oil if you want to. Do some drops to make it scented. I did not this time around. So make sure this is all stirred up. And we are going to take, and we're going to just pour this all over here to make sure it's saturated. I think essential oil or whatever kind of oils that you use are good because right now this is completely smelling like dentist office. And that's a good thing because they clean your teeth. Okay, so I'm going to put this lid on, make sure it's all on here, and I'm going to kind of just tip it a couple times because we want to make sure that we get the core wet, and we're going to pull it out, wiggle it, pull it out, and then voila, you have your paper towel cleaning wipes. So if it gets, before you use it, you probably should just put the lid on. Make sure the lid's on tight. I wish I had a container with like a glass screw, a screw lid. I think that would be better, especially if your lid goes to the dishwasher. And then kind of just twist it around every time you open it, so then it kind of swishes it around. And then you can pull this off. And now I'm going to clean up all the mess side. And voila! So I hope you enjoyed your video. If you have some ideas for some videos that you would like to see, you could just go ahead and email jbaker@htlibrary.org. And we look forward to hearing your comments and, of course, seeing you again when the library is open. Take care, everyone, and stay healthy.